Golf course ponds are more than just water hazards. At AUS Dredge and Dive, we transform troubled waters into pristine playing features. Years of sediment buildup can choke your water features, impacting both aesthetics and ecosystem health. Our expert divers and state-of-the-art dredging technology remove decades of accumulated sediment, restoring depth and clarity in record time. We don't just clean, we revitalize. Improved water quality, enhanced drainage, and a stunning landscape that impresses players and maintains your course's reputation. AUS Dredge and Dive, turning water hazards into water highlights.